It's actually a little difficult to describe how incredible it is to listen to this car under load and at speed. But then when you're in the cockpit and you're in between the logo, the Porsche logo on the front and the steering wheel, and you hear that noise come blaring out from behind you, you know you're experiencing something special. And it's such a beautiful sound too, but at the same time, it's kind of ferocious. My name is Rhoad, and I have been driving a Porsche Cayman 981 for a little over a month now. I didn't know it at the time, but I have been looking for this experience, this sound, in all the wrong places for a long time. I've had RX-7s, E46s, Subarus, an A86 GTS hatch, which I still own now, and none of them hit the right marks. When we drive a car like this, a sports car, we're ultimately searching for a device that gives us a visceral reaction in what I consider three primary categories. Visual, it has to look good, which of course is subjective. Excitement, if it doesn't put a smile on your face while you're driving the car, then it's probably not the right one. And then auditory, just auditory, the noise that that particular device makes puts a nice bow on the entire experience. Having the opportunity to drive this car and having it extend its legs out here in the beautiful mountains of Tennessee, more specifically the tail of the Dragon, I can't think of a better way to experience this car and its new sound. But for me, the aesthetics and the sound a car makes are the primary boxes that it needs to check. More specifically, in regards to sound, I daily drive this car, so it can't be obnoxiously loud and it can't drone. Nor did I want to deal with any of the check engine lights or other issues. So the search for a rear exhaust began. And like many of you, I found myself sifting through what felt like hundreds of exhaust videos on YouTube. And what I found was a market full of exhausts that were either too loud or was too similar to the stock exhaust that I already had. And that's why the Soul Performance non-valved exhaust was, for the most part, my saving grace. It was a perfect balance between the two extremes. So at low RPMs, it was actually a very pleasurable experience. I've had business calls in the car since having the exhaust installed. So it kind of gives you an example of the real life tone and volume of the exhaust. But the moment you hit the loud pedal, everything changes and you're just getting tuned with that amazing flat 6 symphony. All around, I think Soul Performance achieved a great balance of tone and volume for this particular car. And the fact that I can put my company's logo on it and have a lifetime warranty, it just made it a no-brainer.